What's up, boys and girls? In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting plays in NBA 2K25, the bounce alley-oop. This is a move that can electrify your game and leave your opponents in awe. If this video helps you out, be sure to like it and hit that subscribe button for more tips. Alright, let's get into it. To perform a bounce alley-oop in NBA 2K25, follow these simple steps. Get into position. First, you need to be close to the basket. Make sure you're in the painted area, running towards the hoop. Initiate the pass. While you're approaching the basket, press X+O, or A+B on Xbox, on your controller. This will trigger the lob pass to the backboard. Complete the play. Once the ball bounces off the backboard, press *X or use the right stick to dunk the ball into the basket. Timing is key, so aim for the green zone when the meter pops up for a successful finish. Pro tip: for easier setups, try calling for a screen before attempting the bounce alley-oop. This will give your teammate more space and help set up the perfect lob. And that's it. With these tips, you'll be pulling off bounce alley-oops like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more NBA 2K25 tips. Stay tuned for more gameplay guides, and I'll catch you in the next video.